Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things business. In today's video, we're going to be discussing bookkeeping basics for entrepreneurs. As a business owner, it's important to keep accurate records of your financial transactions. Proper bookkeeping can help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about the future of your business. What is bookkeeping? First, let's define what bookkeeping is. Bookkeeping is the process of recording and organizing financial transactions in a systematic way. This includes recording all incoming and outgoing money, including sales, expenses, and payments. Why is bookkeeping important? Now, let's talk about why bookkeeping is so important for entrepreneurs. Accurate and organized bookkeeping can help you in many ways. It can help you keep track of your expenses and income, monitor your cash flow, and file taxes accurately. Additionally, it can also help you in securing loans and funding for your business. Bookkeeping basics. Let's now dive into some bookkeeping basics for entrepreneurs. Separate business and personal finances. First, you should keep a separate bank account for your business transactions. This will help you keep track of your finances and make it easier to file taxes at the end of the year. Separating your personal and business finances will also help you avoid confusion and mistakes in the future. Record all transactions. Secondly, you should keep all of your receipts and invoices in a safe place. This can include both physical and digital copies. It's important to keep these documents in case of an audit or in case you need to reference them in the future. You should record all transactions accurately and consistently. This can be done using software or by hiring a bookkeeper. Recording your transactions in a timely manner can help you avoid mistakes and stay on top of your finances. Categorize your transactions. Thirdly, you should categorize your transactions. This means grouping transactions into categories such as sales, expenses, and payments. This will help you get a clear picture of your business finances and make it easier to track where your money is going. Create financial statements. Fourthly, you should create financial statements. This can include a profit and loss statement, a balance sheet, and a cash flow statement. These statements can help you understand your business finances and make informed decisions about the future of your business. Monitor your cash flow. Finally, you should monitor your cash flow. Cash flow is the amount of money that's coming in and going out of your business. It's important to keep track of your cash flow to ensure that you have enough money to pay your bills and invest in your business. You can use software to help you monitor your cash flow or create a cash flow statement. That concludes our video on bookkeeping basics for entrepreneurs. Remember, bookkeeping is an essential part of running a successful business. By keeping accurate records of your financial transactions, you can make informed decisions about the future of your business. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professional bookkeeper or accountant if you need help with your bookkeeping. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.